those of you who need to use English professionally probably need to do your fair share of writing. It's important to work on your writing skills, I think, in general. If you don't know, for example, how to make a sentence clearly, how to use punctuation, come on, punctuation, then others will say, oh, okay, well, you're not a serious person, right? So it's important to get the basics. In 2021, that's what year it is now, you have to be able to respond quickly and to be effective and efficient when it comes to communicating online. A lot of communication, email, Zoom, chats, all happens online, and it's a lot of typing. Be honest, it's a lot of typing. So I want to share something with you, which I've been using for probably 15 years now. It's a game that can improve your typing speed. Now, there are a lot of things out there that can improve your typing speed. All I want to do is share with you my personal favorite, the one that I always go back to when I want to brush up my typing skills, when I want to improve my typing skills. All right? It's a game. It's a typing game. It's called Z-Type. This is not an advertisement. I'm not being sponsored by Z-Type, although they should sponsor me. Why not? I want to talk about them anyway, because it's cool. Very cool. Very fun. Very interesting. Very challenging. And the thing which makes it different from a lot of other typing games or typing programs that can help you improve your typing speed and accuracy is that it's kind of addicting. That means when you do one, you want to do another. Just one more. Just one more. Just one more. Right? That's good. You want that. You want it to be really fun so that you keep working at it. If it's a boring typing, trying to improve my speed, then, yeah, it's boring. So I'm assuming most of you can at least type fairly well. I just want to say, if you want to improve your accuracy and speed, especially now that everyone's working remotely and you have to always email and send messages, if you want to improve your accuracy and speed, this is a good way to do it. I use it. I use it fairly frequently, maybe twice a month. I'll get on and practice my typing a little bit. So why don't we take a look? I'm going to show you Z-Type. It's actually very, very simple. So let's pop over here. Yoink! And we're on Z-Type. Here we go. So the website is zty.pe. That's the website. Or you could just type in Z-Type in Google, for example. And it's a pretty classic looking game, right? It's actually got really good music. I like the music a lot. It's awesome. All right, so let's just try it. I'm gonna play one. You can see how good or bad I am at typing. I'm gonna try my best. You can load your own text, so if you want to practice a text, you can put in your own. Let's see how it goes. Got some music here, very nice. Okay, so all you do is these things are coming at you, right? Default, using patch. And obviously you want to be typing without looking at your hands. Oh, I just used one of my super... You get a blast thing, and I just accidentally used it. Don't use the... Oh! I think I have a pretty high score. My total high score is really, really high. Wave 3. It gets really hard really fast. My advice would be to... If you see one of those big spaceships, you need to kill it fast because it makes little ships fly out, and it'll kill you. So whenever you see one of those, you gotta get it right away. See that one up there? Oh, where am I? Oh. Yeah. See these little things come at you. Phew. Right. So you want to do involving. Hey. And releasing first. Brakes, T-O's, hey. Good. Wave 6. It's a a lot of pressure doing this on camera. It's cold in this room. I promise I'm better than this. I think I've got to wave 14. I think that... Oh, that was close. Whew. My hands are cold. My hands are cold. My hands are cold. My hands are cold. High pressure situation. Ah! Hands. I can do that. Why'd I do it? Wave 9, clear. Come on, come on. Wave 10, come on, come on, come on. Haha! My fingers are loosening up a little bit. Okay. Ah! Where? Oh, yeah, see? 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 Ah! 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 I had to use my thing. I couldn't, yeah. One of the ships was covering it. I only got one left. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I gotta use that. Oh, this little guy. Get that little guy out of there. Level. Oh, this is where it gets hard. Very intense, very intense, very intense. Where am I? What? Oh, ground. Oh, oh. I promise. I think I could do better. I think I think maybe the highest I reached was wave 16. Accuracy 90%. Could be better. Could be better. Final score 986. So, if you want to work on your typing skills, check out Z-Type. It's not a sponsored thing. Just check it out because it's good and it's cool. And share your scores with me. Let me know your high scores. I'm very curious to know how high you can get. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my full courses in the links in the description, and I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button. That supports the channel a lot.